Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Bifrost. They have some very exciting news I want to share. The first one is Bifrost with Astar network, and then the Rainbow Boost 5.0, and finally, I'm going to do the tutorial on setting up the bot. And so the first one is the HRMP channel. Recently is opened between Bifrost and Astar network, and there will be the BNC Astar LP pool on Astar's largest DEX, Arthswap. The Arthswap, I personally used that before. It's quite interesting because the Arthswap, they support a lot of tokens, not just in Polkadot ecosystem actually, and they have the pool you can add liquidity, and also the farm. Right now it's not added yet, but it should be soon. The second one is DefiLlama. They released the news about the Bifrost. Their VETH has been added to their dashboard. We know the Ethereum, they have the Shanghai upgrade very soon, right? So I expect there will be a lot of people who will stake their Ethereum after the upgrade. So this is another good news. Finally, the biggest one for today's video is a Rainbow Boost. I know a lot of you might be excited. I personally also excited about this event. And so the Rainbow Boost 5.0 will be there soon. I don't know exactly the time, but I do find out the bot like on the Discord. It's a Rainbow Boost bot, and this is a bot is very interesting. It will link the Web 2 and Web 3. When I say it will link them, this bot actually will connect your Discord identity and your BNC address. So it will connect them. After this connection, you can expect a lot of interesting things will happen. And so, for example, it will create avenues, right, for the participation rewards through the Rainbow Boost campaign, all kinds of things, and it's also kinds of identity in the Web 3. So now you bind this address with your Discord now. And so today I'm going to show you how to use a bot. And so first of all, you need to put the command. And so for example, type / get signature. So just put this command. What this will do is it's going to send you a message. So now you check the message from this bot. So this message is going to give you one code, so don't share it with others. That's unique for each of the account. And there's a link which will redirect you to sign that. So you are going to click sign message using this code. Okay, so I just sign that, and it will give you a signature. Keep that, we're going to use that. Now type / bind. It will need two things. One is the address, your BNC address. Go to your JS wallet, you can switch to the Bifrost, and then you can copy your address. So this is the first thing. Second is that signature we just get. And so you just copy that. All right, so we already get that, right? And so copy and put it there, and the signature is the one we just get. So just copy this signature and put it there and press enter. So congratulations, now you bind your identity. Now you bind your address with your Discord, and they will also show you the rainbow banners and give you a role. And so that's quite interesting. I believe if you have more points, you probably get another role than what I have. But anyway, like, that's just a way how you can set up the bot. So overall, just talk about a few things about the Bifrost, and all of those events, they will come up soon. So stay tuned, and we will see each other once it's live. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.